a kwan nya oto amena mu kura ru bia gise ye be gise ye pia wachi ansa watimi pia frim eti wo pe ka kura wonya ese ye ka so de ko wa baba na ni nyina na sei
kwan we so de ye brepa fi se omoto aba ni wiye no kwan na se mentumi nka so ma jato ba sere na fe so mo yadwuma no
$346.5 million undertaking is progressing smoothly with a substantial percentage of the work done already. This massive project will facilitate smoother movement of goods and people, thereby boosting trade and commerce within the region. Moreover, the project is expected to stimulate local economies, create jobs and attract investment, contributing to broader economic developmental goals. The ongoing Pokuase and Nsawam dual carriageway project is a testament to Ghana's unwavering commitment to modernizing its transportation network and keeping pace with the growing demands of a robust transportation sector. The ambitious undertaking, jointly funded by the government and Moripoma Enterprise Limited, a wholly owned Ghanaian construction company, will not only alleviate traffic congestion, but also will facilitate the seamless movement of goods and people, and enhancing the overall quality of life for citizens. With its impressive scale and state-of-the-art design, the project involves the construction of 8 lanes from Ofankor to Pokuase and 10 lanes from Pokuase interchange to the Nsawam bypass. The highway's multiple lanes, coupled with strategically placed interchanges, overpasses and footbridges, will ensure efficient traffic flow and reduce travel time, enhancing productivity and fostering economic growth across various sectors. The Minister of Roads and Highways expressed pride in the project's smooth progress, stating, "The Pokuase dual carriageway project is a testament to our nation's commitment to infrastructural development. This project is progressing steadily, and we are confident that it will not only improve connectivity but also serve as a catalyst for economic transformation, attracting investment and fostering sustainable growth." The construction of this massive highway is being carried out with the utmost attention to detail, such as the construction of an underpass footbridge at Ejapia section and a footbridge at Fisi, which is 95% complete. These measures will ensure the longevity and durability of the infrastructure, minimizing the need for frequent maintenance and reducing long-term costs. Furthermore, the ongoing project is creating numerous employment opportunities for skilled workers and professionals, contributing to the development of Ghana's construction industry and nurturing a skilled workforce capable of undertaking future infrastructural projects of this magnitude. The contractor currently has a workforce of over 875, including 814 local staff. As the construction progresses smoothly, the Pokuase and Nsawam dual carriageway is already having a positive impact on surrounding communities, as it's stimulating economic activities and improving access to essential services. Local businesses would be thriving at the end of this endeavor, and real estate development will also flourish, as traffic would be cut into half, making moving to one place to another very easy within the environment. Though the final completion time has not been known, as the project has exhausted every estimated completion timeline it has been given. But yet still, the Pokuase and Nsawam dual carriageway project is a testament to Ghana's unwavering commitment to infrastructural development, as it has not wavered one bit. As the construction progresses, the Pokuase and Nsawam highway would have a positive impact on the surrounding communities as well. The enhanced roadway will lead to a surge of local business activities and serve providers experiencing increased patronage due to the improved accessibility.
Enam say ekwan ya womo eyi womo eco breaking tino enam so amasa ekwan eso tutu pa eye emfuturo enso enam wiem na yade a ebeha omanfo pa womo apomuden adom news central for ene ahyemkafo bi atwetwe nkomo no womo kira womo de adesede eto engineer a wono na ehwe se kwan womo ebeye se omo ma omo ho enye ntem na break a womo koye no womo nsamra na womo mesiese sa kwan emfa mom esan se womo ewue ni amane boy mi amede fie ye Pokuase and Nsawam kwan e de bra no medin e de Prince Owusu Esiedu adom ni I think this is okay
yameduma kwan enye kra se na kwan ati enye ese the cast ni say tu kan sisi a obedundu bebe ondu sapema ondu bebe na kana say be leta ya yi na say bia bibia se wakana say ti esremo amommo dan amoya kwano mae fiti amasaman ekosi Nsawam
amanehunu a yɛhunu no nyasɛm ketewa